Very good afternoon, dear kids. I welcome you all to another session of EVS interactive class. Children, today we are going to start a new chapter, Birds, which is chapter number 3 of your EVS book, and it starts from page number 22. In this chapter, we will try to explore the world of birds. If we go to the park and look around our house, we see a special type of living creatures with feathers. These creatures are birds. They are found everywhere on earth. We all love to watch birds as they fly around us. But birds can do much more. They take off and land. They dive and dig, peck and build, and perform many more diverse and interesting activities. There are about more than 10,000 species of birds living all over the world, from the equator to the cold polar regions, in deserts, on high mountains, on the oceans and islands, large and small, living in flocks means groups, or alone, flying well or completely flightless. However, despite these great diversity, there are several things that all birds have. So let's see what makes a bird. Means now we are going to discuss about the common characteristics found in all the birds. First of all, only birds have feathers. Birds' feathers play an important role in regulating their body temperature. Their role is similar to that of hair present in mammals. Feathers have strength as well as flexibility. Birds have different kinds of feathers. Children, about feathers we will discuss in detail in upcoming EVS sessions. And in some birds, feathers also help in blending or merging to their environment to protect them from their predators. Second thing is presence of wings. All birds have wings, but not all can fly. Means some birds are flightless, but they have wings. The wing structure is aerodynamic. Means it's like the wing of an aeroplane that helps it to fly. The shape and size of the wing are according to the type of flight. For example, to capture prey means to catch prey or to escape predators. Birds have broad, rounded wings, and these wings provide great speed, especially in birds living in forested regions like woodpecker, sparrowhawk, etc. The wings of birds that spend long time in the air are long, narrow and pointed, like in case of swallow. And large birds like pelican and vultures, they have long broad wings to rise high through the air. So different type of birds have different wing structure. And the birds fly by flapping their wings. Next feature of all the birds is lightweight. One of the important unique feature of birds is relatively lightweight. To fly in the air, a bird must have low weight, because the things which are low in weight, they can rise high. So their bones are strong and hollow. This makes them lightweight. Also, their covering of feathers is especially light. And children, birds have fused bones. Means the bones fuse to become a single bone. So their bodies have fewer bones, means less bones, less in number, which also decrease their body weight. So this is how the birds reduce their weight and become light in weight.